Alright, so here at the C&L Seaview Hotel in Dipolog, I've transferred over to what they call a matrimonial deluxe. We spent the night last night in the deluxe twin room with two twin beds, and it was like being in an old 1950s sitcom. So this is a bit of an upgrade. They actually gave me a deal because there was a little bit of false advertising going on. Alright, so let's go over the amenities. Basically, you got some closet space. I packed really light, so I'm not going to be using much of this at all. It's got a little desk with a little kiosk thing. There's me, hey. It's got a TV on the wall, JVC. Guess it works. It's got a mirror in case you need to look at yourself. Little vanity stand with no chair for it. It's got a king-size bed, so you get lots of room to roam around. All kinds of lighting. Of course, it's got the Bible. It's the Philippines. We got the phone, which is important because you got to call people. Controls for the aircon and the TV. And it's just got a little couple air conditioner. Hopefully it'll work. And it's got a little porch outside. And it's really hot out here. It's got a lovely view of things, buildings. And off in the distance there, you can see the water. So it's not really a sea view, it's kind of like a building view. But hey, it works. And with every room here, this normally goes, I believe, for $1,500 all in. That's, taxes, fees, all that stuff included. And it comes with a free buffet breakfast, which is huge. It's basically all you can eat, which I like, because I can eat a lot. And of course they got the restaurant. The prices are quite fair. This is Quezon Ave, Maputak, Dipolog. And check out the bathroom real quick. I love the colors. This is the Philippines, so of course you get all these beautiful colors. And here's the bathroom. You got a Western toilet. You got the water heater, and I guess they don't want you adjusting the heat on the water heater because they put some nice tape there. And you got a kind of groovy 1960s, 70s vibe sink here. And you got a mirror in case you need to look at yourself. Towel rack, and the shower is pretty spacious. Although you can tell the last person here was Filipino because it's set rather low. But the water pressure is really good. The heat's really good off the heaters and stuff. So, this is it. I can quit panning around so quickly. So in Dipolog City, a matrimonial, deluxe matrimonial, something like that, $1,500 a night, which is about $30 USD. I got a little bit of a deal because again, there was a bit of false advertising with that twin room. And of course, there's no smoking, which is good. And you can smoke up on the roof deck, or you can smoke out front. And I noticed that some people are smoking out on the porches, so that's all good. And that's it, in a nutshell. C&L. And there's actually C&Ls in Dumaguete. There's a C&L in Dumaguete, and there's also a C&L in Bayawan. And actually, Lynn's coming back on February 28th for her niece's birthday, I believe. And it's going to be in Bayawan, so we'll probably be staying at the C&L there. This is Net Over My Philippine Dreams, the C&L Seaview Hotel. See you next time. Bye. Alright, and as part of your inclusive fees here at C&L, you get a free breakfast buffet. Good morning, Pod. So this is like part of the inclusiveness. You got rice, you got like hot dog, you got some sort of greasy meat, you got fish fillets, bananas, some fruits, milk, cereal, cafe, fruit juices, and eggs made to order. And it's basically all you can eat, and it's pretty good. No complaints on that end. And today, again, I'll be heading back to Dumaguete. My last day in Dipolog. I really like Dipolog. It's got the same population. Its population is about 130,000, but it's spread out over a much larger area than Dumaguete, so it doesn't feel nearly as congested. As you can see, the traffic is not nearly as bad as Dumaguete. And what's over here? And I guess up here it is a sea view. That's Lee Plaza right there. The good thing about C&L is it's really close to Lee Plaza, in case you need to go shopping. I had to do some shopping yesterday because I came here so fast I forgot to pick up some things. And there's the ocean. The protected bay of Dipolog. And I had a good time here in Dipolog. Thank you, Dipolog, and all the Dipolgueños for hosting me. And we're heading over there today. Negros Oriental. And yeah, C&L, not bad. I like it. I dig it. It's groovy.